So when people say they are tired of rice, I'm like, why will you be tired of rice? There are over 1 million ways to cook rice. Just that you can be tired of a particular kind of rice, but you cannot be tired of rice. Rice is not something you should be tired of. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make native rice. In a pot, add in your palm oil, let that heat well. Add in a very, very considerate amount of palm oil that is going to be enough to cook the rice and fry all the fryables. So make that heat well. When it is heat like this, add in your Panla fish. I added in my Panla fish and I fried that. I wanted that to be very, very dry. So that when I'm eating it to be very crunchy. I put then add in your iru, your locust bean, guys. That gives it another flavor. Then add in your onions. I love onions so much. I say that almost all the time. And I give that a good mix. Then add in your pepper and your tomato mix. Then allow that fry. Then add in your momo. You know we've added pala before, so add in your momo now. Then give that a very good stir. Let that stir very well. Let it cook. Then add in your salt, then go in with your seasoning and give that a very, very, very good mix. Then cover it up to cook. After cooking, then open it up, then stir. Then add in your washed rice. I didn't parboil the rice. I washed it till it was very clean, then I added in water, then I covered it for it to cook. And guys, look at how my rice is looking. So after the water is dried a little bit, I added in my ugu, then I added in my Uziza leaf, guys. Uziza is a very underrated vegetable, but that's the talk of another day. Then I added in my crayfish, then I gave it a very good stir, then I covered for it to cook. Then I added in my fried plantains. I say it, I'm very extra, right? Then I added in my fried plantains and I gave that a very good mix. And guys, look at what we have here. This rice is given. I would eat this breakfast, lunch, dinner. Stay with us to our page for more amazing recipes. Thank you.